Hi, my name is Bree, and I'm in the Customer Success team here at eLearning Brothers. Today we'll be doing an overview on how to stay informed with notifications within Lectora Online. Configuring your notifications in Lectora Online helps you stay informed about project and assignment changes. You can select individual projects or select to be notified about all project and assignment changes. To adjust your notifications, navigate to the Notifications tab on the home page. The options shown on the left-hand side are for all projects. You can choose to be notified of project content modified. This means a team member has checked in a change to the project, or the project has been restored to a previous version. Or you can select Project Settings Modified. This means that either the status has been changed, a team member has been added or deleted from the project, or a team member has changed roles. Select the Project Assignments Modified. This means an assignment related to the project has been created or modified. Alternatively, you can select notifications for a specific project. This is considered a project override. Select the project you want to apply the override to from the existing projects dropdown. Then choose the appropriate default setting by selecting a combination of one or all of the checkboxes. The notification will be sent to you via the email associated with your Lectora Online profile. You can also generate a report on assignments if needed. Navigate to the Assignments tab on the home page. Select the assignment reports to see multiple fields of information regarding an assignment. You can filter your view of content by selecting the various drop-downs and date fields. Be sure to select the search field to change the content. You can also clear filters to return your content to the original view. You can also import the file as a comma-separated value Excel file, also known as a CSV. Additionally, you can perform a project search to locate information regarding a particular project. Navigate to the left sidebar and select the Project Search option from the Task Administration group. This opens the Project Search window. Just like an assignment report, you can refine your search by selecting from the various options at the top, then selecting Search. In this view, you can also search for tags that have been associated with the project. And last of all, you can also export your project search as a CSV. Thanks for watching!